Every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
And it came back that my license was suspended. My license was suspended because
Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass.
good morning, y'all. Happy, what's today, Wednesday? Today is first day of school for someone. You ready?
No.
He said no, y'all. He said no. But he better come on because we got to get it together. We already got to figure out where his class at. It's 8:25. School about to start already. Come on. Okay. You gonna say hi to the queens and kings? You say good morning? Oh Lord, come on, yeah. So let's go. Let's go find out where we going. Y'all look at Andre. Andre, let me see your hat. Let's see. Okay, I am a first grader. My first week of school. But everyone ain't able. So how was your day to school today?
Good.
Well, let me see your drip. Let me see your drip. Stand back. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Oh, sucky. That's my baby, y'all. That's my baby. So you had a good day at school?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you learn today?
I learned about science.
About science? Oh.
And math.
And math. Okay, good job. Good job. What type of math you did?
What
was it? Addition? Subtraction?
Just both.
Both? Oh, okay then. Okay, well, good job. Good job. All right, let's go see where the other Beavis and Butthead at.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jasmine.
Mom.
I got my laptop today.
Okay, good.
Mom.
Okay.
Mom. I know one of my Roblox friends' name is T-A-T.
Okay, T-A-T.
Yeah, don't type it
It's a
down.
touchscreen too.
Oh, it's a touchscreen, so that
It's
means...
just these the new laptops they got for everybody in school.
Oh, okay.
So mostly everybody got them kind of laptops.
Okay, let me see your drip, child. Jasmine went to school, too. She had to go. We didn't get her in the first beginning of 3 days or so, but... Child, okay. Wait.
But I gotta wait now because things loading.
Okay. Okay, y'all. So this is Jasmine and her drip. Okay, girl.
It's a little something. All my friends call me. I look like auntie, somebody auntie.
For me, you
I don't know why. Just because I got this cardigan on. That's
Pretty
why.
For
much.
me, you
And
look
I got the
like
glasses. And I got the
ASAP.
purse.
For me, you look
Oh,
like
girl, let me see with the purse.
a Minecraft.
Let me see.
You look like a Minecraft villager. Oh, yes. T-A-T.
Oh, that's how you was hearing it.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah, you really look like somebody, auntie.
Mm-hmm.
Can you push your glasses back, or is they back? Oh, okay, then. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess, child.
Wait.
Oh.
I gotta get the finger.
Oh, the finger. Oh, Lord, not the finger. Lord, not. Yeah. It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, Queens and Kings. So let me give you guys pretty much a rundown of this week here. Well, these few days here. Wednesday just took me out for the whole entire week, rest of the week of recording. So that's why I'm coming back in the day. It's Friday, if I didn't say that already. So Wednesday, after I take Andre to school, drop him off, I'm getting ready to head to work. Now, as I'm heading to work, driving the usual, doing the rules and regulations of the road, I get pulled over by the police. So when he threw his lights on, it was a car behind me, and it was him. I was moving out the way just like the other car was moving out the way. And then, surprisingly, he pulled up behind me. So he got out. I asked him, well, what did I do? Because I know I stopped at the stop sign in this school. So it's the first day of school, so I didn't really know. The police pretty much just going to be out and about. But he had ran my tag, and it came back that my license was suspended. My license was suspended because the insurance did not report that it was insurance on the car. And Not my car. In fact, the car that we have sitting in the yard, the Dodge that we have sitting in the yard. But Dre drive another car. So the insurance did not report that it actually has car insurance. And therefore, my license got suspended. Because the black car in the yard, the Dodge, obviously in my name. So when the man tell me that, I'm like, what the hell you talking about? Because I pay my car insurance every month. Like, but I'm furious, I'm mad, I'm crying, I'm upset. Like, what? Well, what are you talking about? You know, I do the right thing. Like, I'm one of those citizens. I abide by the rules and regulations of all. I have no problem with rules and regulations. I actually like them. They help the world run. But obviously it doesn't, because license been suspended for a little minute, he says. And I'm like, I ain't got nothing in the mail stating that, you know, because they'll send you something, traffic road thing, or whatever the case may be. That man said since April. I'm talking, how the hell since April? And I've been driving forever. But anyways, nevertheless, okay, so with that being said, they dropped so many warnings, gave so many stenches from what he claimed, to the point they put on their revoked tag. So therefore, any tag that's in my name, even though it wasn't the car that it was talking about, it takes all tags. So therefore, he took the tag. So now I gotta go to the DMV to get another damn tag, because when we put in the information for the insurance, the suspension on my license automatically lift up. So I'm mad. And then on top of that, I gotta get another fucking license, because he ended up taking the license too. So that just threw me off of everything, off my rockers. Cause you know how hard it been for these couple of days of getting to work, back to work. Cause Dre working nights, and then by the time he get off in the morning time, I'm supposed to be already at work. You know how hard that is to do all that? Do you know? Do you know? Man. So, but anyways, yeah. So that's what I've been dealing with. So I called a ride again today. Dre dropped me off this morning to work. My friend brought me home. My friend girl brought me home like she did yesterday. So I'm so thankful for that, because you know how much fucking Uber and Lyft is? The Uber and Lyft started from $20 on up. When I went to try to schedule a Lyft to pick me up this afternoon for work to come home, they said $36 motherfucking dollars. $36. That's a gas tank. Girl, so I get all this fixed Monday. After work, I'm gonna go to the DMV so I can go ahead and get my tag and my goddamn license, because this is not to be at all. You hear me? Not to be. But anyways, I just came on here just to tell y'all that, and why y'all really ain't got no footage, because I call myself gonna try to record a weekly vlog. That's my life. So what I'm about to do now is straightening up my bathroom some. I actually want to change those shelves that I got up there and get the ones that in my bathroom, because I don't like that style. I want mine to be more floated other than with the brackets. So I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna clean the bathroom up. Yeah. So happy Friday, Queens and Kings. What we doing tomorrow? I have no idea. Yeah. Don't come here. Look at this bull crap here. Honey, this weather is bipolar. I'm telling you, it's actually have a Mother Nature moments. Cause honey, this is crazy. It was just sunny skies. I just walked to the mailbox, me and Andre. Now look at this bullshit here. Child, tell him, for Florida, you gotta be prepared for every season in one damn day. You'll know what them seasons are: winter, spring, summer, and fall, and all in one day. You see how big these are? These are mozzarella. Homemade though. Look at all the cheese. So I got the burger, but out of donuts. you got pasta.
Lord, you know how hard it is dealing with the pain day to day of a one man. She can never be what I am, but as long as he with me, that's what it's gonna be.
You think that I've been drinking? I've been drinking. Wait a minute, they call up my shoe. Let's call up my shoe. The little place that we went to called Teak. It's okay. The burger was all right. I feel like the meat should be seasoned a little bit more, but all the flavor was in the donut and the bacon. And it also had cheese on it too as well. The margarita was good. It was a peach margarita with salt. I think it should have been a little more fancy glass though. For a margarita. That was more like a beer glass. It had these little truffles fries. I think that's what you call them, truffles. It's just a fancy way of cutting up some fries, but it tastes like some regular fries with a little seasoned drizzle over them. But it was okay. Nice little spot to chill at. Just want to drink and eat in peace or whatever the case may be. But yeah, let me get out because I don't want to try to use it all. And besides, I need to put my lips back on because all the lip came off with the donut. Everything else. So I had a orange lippy where I'm using this Psycho by Lion Cry. I got it from Ulta. From Ulta. No, I didn't. No, I did. It's off of Etsy because Ulta did not have it. I couldn't find it nowhere else. Not even Amazon. Not this color anyway. It's an orange. I couldn't find it. So yeah. All right, Queens and Kings. So when I made it back to the house, about to actually get out of this eyebrow. So, because the only thing I did was my eyebrow, eyes, as in lashes and eyeliner and mascara, and put this lippy on. I had to refreshen it from the drink and stuff, but I don't have no makeup or nothing on my face besides highlighter. That's it. I ain't putting no foundation, no concealer, none of that, which pretty much I feel like you could tell. So I was going for like the no makeup look, but as a real no makeup natural look. Pretty much that's what I was going for. Show you the shirt I got on, which, hold on, let me try to show y'all better, because I try to do like a clip in a mirror at our friend house, but that didn't work out right. So I had to switch phones, so if the quality is different. Shirt from Forever 21 and the jeans from the Goodwill. So that's pretty much what it is, how I wore it. Jeans still a little bit big than what I wanted to be. I wanted to fit a little bit more, but bag it on the pants, on the leg part, but it still gave what it needed to give. So here's the bag. It's the bag that I will carry. This is from Dopest Kicks. I always leave a link down below for their website where you can get a discount off their you know, replicas, in which they are actually affordable without the discount. Like, I tell you no word of lie. I also wore these shoes here. These here, I got those from Amazon. So I'll try to insert a picture if I even took like a picture, but if not, follow me on TikTok, because pretty much that's where I'll be uploading some more pictures and stuff like that, because I'm still not active on Instagram, Facebook, or nothing like that. Just still gonna keep them down for a while, so hey, it is what it is. But you still can follow me on Instagram. I'm just not active right now of putting any type of thing on there. But yeah, I'm finna go watch this movie. The movie we're about to watch is on Netflix. It called Day Shift with what the man name is, Jamie Foxx and Snoop Dogg in it. You seen it? Let me know. So it seems like it's pretty good from the previews or whatever, so I'm finna find out. Okay.